Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Vagaro, a popular appointment booking and payment processing software. Specifically, we'll be discussing how to pay with Vagaro. So, you've got an appointment booked and you're ready to pay. How do you do it? Well, there are a few different ways depending on your situation. Option 1. Pay online. This is the easiest option if you know the appointment date and time in advance. Simply log in to your Vagaro account and go to your appointments page. Find the appointment you want to pay for and click on the Pay button. You'll be able to enter your payment information and make the payment. Option 2. Pay at the time of your appointment. If you're not sure about the date or time of your appointment, or if you're booking last minute, you can pay at the time of your appointment. When you check in, your Vagaro technician will be able to process your payment. Option 3. Use Vagaro Pay Later. Vagaro Pay Later is a new feature that allows you to book an appointment and pay for it later. This is a great option if you're short on cash or if you want to spread out the cost of your appointment. To use Vagaro Pay Later, simply select the Pay Later option when you book your appointment. You'll then be able to make a payment within 30 days of your appointment. Additional tips. If you're paying for multiple appointments at once, you can do so by selecting the Multiple Appointments option when you make a payment. You can also add a tip to your payment. If you have any questions about how to pay with Vagaro, you can contact Vagaro support. Paying with Vagaro is easy and convenient. Whether you pay online, at the time of your appointment, or use Vagaro Pay Later, you can be sure that your payment will be processed quickly and securely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.